Let's make these bakery-style vegan banana chocolate chip muffins. The first step is to mash up your banana. This recipe uses 2 very ripe bananas, or about 1.5 cups. The next step is to add in your wet ingredients. We're using melted coconut oil, vanilla, and then you're also going to want to sprinkle on your brown sugar. To keep these muffins moist, we're going to be adding in some dairy-free yogurt and also some apple cider vinegar to help them rise. You'll want to mix up the wet ingredients until it's well combined. The next step is to carefully sift the dry ingredients on top. Use a fork to sift together the flour, baking soda, salt, and the egg replacer. The mixture should come together into a very, very thick batter. The last step is to fold in your chocolate chips. Add as many as you like. I added about half a cup here. Because these are bakery-style muffins, we're going to be creating our own parchment paper liners that help them rise up and become really, really large in the oven. To make the liners, you just want to cut out about 4" by 4" squares out of parchment paper and then press them into your regular muffin tin. Once you fill up your muffin pan, you're going to want to bake the muffins at 350 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. When they're out of the oven, they're going to be hot, steaming, and they're great served with a little bit of vegan butter on top. These muffins are fluffy, moist, tender, and they're just like what you would find at a bakery. I hope you all love them as much as I do.